very wise and clear message to Indians that if even they think to attack on Pakistan, they will be tear apart in pieces now, because our NSA is the person who has a lot of experience with dealing these matters.
National
And
Terrorist Advisor, not Security Advisor.
Secondly, I am really feeling
He's
pity
your
for
NTA.
Indians now.
Change the designation.
For Indians. Yeah, Turji, bolne de please. I am feeling pity for Indians that they are trying to make every day that Pakistan is under attack and everything. And on the other hand, India is facing humiliation across the world. From America, they have refused to support you. And European Union, they have
We
refused
don't
to
need
support
anybody's
you.
support.
New York Times
Listen,
is writing against
listen
you.
to me.
Your
Listen to me.
own
Arnab,
BJP
listen.
Neta are saying
Listen.
that
No.
you
Please
should
stop
resign.
this. Stop this support
And
business.
you
You need support. India does not need anybody's support. India is a strong country. The world needs India. We are economic power. We are a military power. We are a human resources power. We are a space power. The world needs us. We don't need anybody. So the problem with you is listen to it. Listen. Have a factual.
Hamid, listen.
Have a factual.
Hamid, what can I just deal with him 1 minute? He needs a surgical strike from me. He needs a surgical strike from me, sir. Can I shoot a pinaka at him? Thank you. I'll shut him up in a minute. Okay, Hamid, listen to me. Hamid, I know how to shut him up. I'll tell you. Hamid, I know how to shut you up, so I'll deal with you. You are a disease that only I can. You are a disease.
Unfortunately, he has been adjutant general.
अच्छा बोल लीजिए
He only understands that.
लॉजिकल आदमी नहीं है.
Why don't you tell the reality to the Indian people? Why do you keep them in a cuckoo land? Why do you keep them false hope?
We are a democracy.
We will personally come meet you and discuss this.
Please you tell him he's not a forger.
मैं बोल देता हूँ. I will tell you. I'll deal with it. आप 2 minute Hamid.
India.
Hamid.
I am giving you the warning. Do not think to attack on Pakistan.
Do not think to attack on Pakistan. Do not think to attack on Pakistan. What is like going to a movie or what? I'll do what the hell I want to do. Why should, now listen to me. Listen to me. To all the panelists, I want to introduce who Dr. Hamid Khan actually is. ये कौन है? ये क्या करते हैं? ये मैं जानता हूँ और सिर्फ मैं जानता हूँ. और मैं इनको expose करूँगा. Hamid, I don't hate you.
You can understand.
I don't hate you.
That this decision was the best decision by the Pakistan government, and Pakistan forces have taken the best decision by appointing.
शांत हो जाओ ना अभी. Now listen to me 1 minute. I need to.
I think he has a paper kept in front of him.
नहीं. Volume down. I'll tell you. Viewers, I'll tell you about this man. मैं इनकी सच्चाई बताता हूँ. You must have heard that speech of Asif Munir.
Yes, sir.
You heard that speech of Asif Munir when he went and he said, attack Hindus. Hindus are different. हिंदुओं को अटैक करो. ये आसिफ मुनीर की बात थी. हिंदू अलग है, मुस्लिम अलग है, हिंदू अलग है, मुस्लिम अलग है. जो स्पीच थी. अब ये शांत हो गए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. मेरी बात सुनिए. 2 मिनट चुप रहिए. हाँ ठीक है. अरे रुक रहिए ना 2 मिनट. आपको ही एक्सपोज कर रहा हूँ. अच्छी तरह से एक्सपोज करूंगा. आपको प्रॉब्लम है क्या?
मैं अच्छी तरह आपको
मैं first I will roast you, boil you, skewer you, and then serve you.
First I will roast you.
Now my question is,
and I am roasting.
This man wrote that speech. I want to tell you the real identity of this man. This man, and he admitted on my program that Arnab, I wrote that speech for Asif Munir. He says he's a journalist. He's a turncoat. He's a Hindu-phobic maniac. He wrote the speech and he came to my program and he said proudly, I wrote the anti-Hindu speech. Did you not say it? कहा कि नहीं? कहा कि नहीं Hamid? Hamid कहा कि नहीं? Hamid कहा कि नहीं? कहा कि नहीं भाई?
Terrorism in Pakistan.
Did you write the speech? Did you write the anti-Hindu speech?
No.
You said I was there, I wrote it.
Whose RSS ideology?
You said I was there, I wrote it. Last time you said it.
System.
Pull out his old clip.
What Modi is doing to your own people.
Modi, learn to spell his name properly.
Bill आया है from 200 years old bill you are implementing.
Anyway, I tell you one thing. Asim Raza, I want to go to you. This man is irrational. Asim.
Listen to me very carefully.
No, don't respond to him. Sir, don't. He's not worth your level, sir. ये आपके level के नहीं.
Arnab, there is a fact. Hamid, know one fact. There is only one immortal thing on this earth, and that is the Gangetic Valley civilization. You must understand. You are trying to tell us that you are trying to threaten the civilization. Gangetic Valley civilization is immortal. Every other civilization has gone either under the sea or under the Mother Earth.
Now I want to introduce one person out here. Volume down. I want to introduce one person sitting in my studio. Listen to me. Faisal, listen to me. Asim Raza.